2 minutes before dinner starts. I think it's Asian night tonight, and you can see how jam-packed it is right behind me here. It's completely filled this area, and yeah, it looks like the door's about to open. All I want to do is film. Hello. Doors are open. Tonight's Asian night. Let's have a look. So, what have they got here? Corn crackers. Just like fish, curry, wasabi, all that lot. Sushi, lots of sushi. I guess it's all a bit the Chinese sort of cuisine. Everything. Good. What's this? Some sort of seafood, shrimp? More, yeah, it's very much seafood based. Okay.
It's also a bit weird.
Okay, Dane. What's this? This dessert? Dessert. Oh, okay. Fried pineapple. More dessert. Is this noodles? Beef?
Chicken.
Chicken. Sweet and sour chicken.
Sweet.
Yeah. Thank you very much. More stuff. Oh, what's that? Looks like some sort of dumplings. More sushi. And see, it's all starting to fill up. The place is going to open for less than a minute. Looks like, again, very similar thing. With chicken. Look over here. What's this? Rice and some type of meat. Looks interesting. And a wrap. Noodles. You can get fresh noodles made here. That's quite good. I might go for that. So you can make it according to what you want. Pita, this is the usual stuff we've got here. Well, some people are quite fussy with this. I'm not. Oyster. Okay, I'll stay away from that one. Grilled noodles. Okay, that's pretty deep then. Lots of other stuff. Grilled veggies. Grilled fish. Chips. Around here, rice, yeah, usual turkey dinner, which is just like curry. Looks like they've got some spring rolls around here somewhere. And you can see here, I can barely move already, just because of how many people there are. Mashed potatoes, stuffed chicken, this is all the usual stuff they got here. So I can show you this Chinese style veggies, okay? Bacon fish. Yeah, so all this lot I can probably show you any time of the week. Spaghetti bolognese, roast beef. Still haven't figured out what's in there. Let's have a look. Some sort of veggies? I'm not sure. Whoa. That's quite a lot of fish. Take a look at that. What else? Lots of salad. Yeah, I think you get the gist. Lots of salad, lots of cold food here. This sort of stuff they normally have. Maybe not put in this sort of style, but yeah, generally have this sort of stuff. And then around here, still more salad. Now currently I'm not going to eat, I'm just wanted to film this when it wasn't too busy. Obviously that didn't work because you can see how busy it is already. Whenever you try to come in here, just like as soon as the place opens up, it becomes a complete and utter blooming stampede. Something going on over there obviously, wasn't too happy. Might have been the head chef. Oh, freshly cut veggies, or veggie fruit. Their desserts. Yeah, lots of gelatin type products, like jellies and stuff. They got the cold selection here, and they got fresh fruits. Have a look over here. And then they've got all the baklavas they want to show you. It's very Turkish, this area. Now let's come over here and have a look at the last little bit. Okay, so this is the kids area. You can see here, it's literally just all of the kids stuff. All of the same stuff, it's always there. Spaghetti bolognese, chips, onion rings, all that lot. See, it's literally just kids rubbish. And that is basically it. I'm currently exiting through the kids area. See how much quieter it is over here. And if you recognise this, over here is the a la carte area, which is currently desolate. No one's here. That's basically about it for Asian night. Seems like this lobster here wasn't very happy about being served up on the plate. Here he is in the lift trying to make his escape. But don't worry, I think he managed to get out of there because the day after he was gone. Well anyway, that's it for Asian night. I'll see you in the next one. I do sure hope that shrimp knows how to cross the road.